Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to program a garage door remote opener. In this easy, simple tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps for programming a universal garage door opener just like this one. Now, first and foremost, you want to get up close to the actual opener mechanism on your garage. So this is the actual motor to open and close the garage. You can see there's the door, and then I'm right over here. And you want to pull down the light cover over here to expose the learn button, which is actually right over there. And it's going to be a certain color. There are different colors, so if yours isn't purple, that's totally fine. But you're going to see a button that is the learn button. You also want to make sure that the light bulb on your garage door opener is actually working, because that's going to tell you when it has been programmed. Okay, so first and foremost, this is an optional step depending on the actual remote that you're using, but you might be able to put your remote into learn mode or program mode. Some of them you won't have to do this step with, but for this one, I just pulled that piece down. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. Right over there, that little button right there is the actual program button for the remote. So I'm going to push and hold that down until the LED illuminates over here. So I'm going to push and hold it down, okay? Just like that. So now this is in program mode, okay? And that is an optional step. You might not have to do that with your remote. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the learn button here, and I'm not going to hold it down, so that's good. The light went off, which is good, so it's easier to see, okay? I didn't push the button yet. I'm going to push and release quickly the learn button. You don't want to hold it down. If you hold it down, it's going to erase all of the programmed remotes and openers. So you just want to push it and release it, okay? So I'm going to push it and release it. Just like that. You can see that light turned on right there. Now within 30 seconds or so, I need to push and release the opener button. So I'm going to push it once, okay? And it didn't work. You're going to keep trying until you see that light flash. There we go. Boom. Okay, so that's done. So now I have programmed this remote with this opener, okay? So you're gonna do it, once, twice, 3 times, however many times until you see that light flash. Now I'm gonna take this out of learn mode. So I'm gonna push and hold this down. The LED turned off, so now it's not in learn mode. That's it, it should work. Let's try it out. And this was not programmed before. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna push the button and we'll see if it works. Boom, just like that. That's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to program a garage remote opener, okay? Very easy tutorial, and I've shown you exactly how to do it. Let's try one more time. Just like that, works wonders. Okay, now like I said, when it's in learn mode and you push the button, you might have to push it once, twice, and let go after each time. It might take one time to work, or it might take more than once, because it's trying to learn which opener you're actually using, which motor opener you're using. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.